Okay, today I'm going to talk about the JT strongarm. My RV's, 7 years old? And they get a little slop in them. The landing gear gets a little sloppy. At night you'd move around, you'd feel it. Well, I put this on there because I saw the videos and I thought, hey, that's a good idea. Well, till I bought it and put it on mine, of course. Because if you notice, there's a black bar across there. That's what I had to make. Because, well, Lippert, Keystone, whatever you want to call them, in their infinite wisdom, there's nothing here. There's sheet metal. That's all it is. I mean, 1/16 of an inch maybe. And there's the center mark. And I said, well, I got some tube steel. And of course I had to bring it up. That's why there's 2 layers. I don't know if you can tell there's 2 layers. I welded it all together. And then right out here in the middle, I welded another little piece and drilled my holes and put everything in here nice and neat. Because, well, there was nothing there to attach to. They're really, let's see if you can see. Really, if you see right there, you look up in here in the center of it, there's nothing. Yeah, nothing. Because, well, I don't know. I guess they figured that, well, nobody wants a JT strongarm on one of these, but yeah, I did. So I had to make it all. It's really dark. I wish you could see it better, but that's how it is. But you can see where it's welded. And I made it to go to a point here. Because it was, and if you notice, there's brackets up in here that go in. That's solid. This, that's sheet metal. I mean, it's you can't really see, but it's paper thin. Same over here. But I went in and I put, let's see, there was something to it. Now I put brackets in here, L brackets on this side and on the other side. Because this is, they had to have this strong enough to support the generator. And through here, and all this up in here, which I know you can't see it worth a damn, but it's, if you've got a 3912, you'll know what I'm talking about. But I figured they did it to others. Now let's go to the back. Okay, excuse the mess. Here we are at the back. Now, they show putting it from the back to the landing gear. I didn't like the idea because I can just picture dragging it off as they go down the hill to one of the bike rallies they go to. But I made brackets where they'll hang down and they'll go up. And there's plenty of room of clearance. Which to me the back really doesn't do that much. Not nearly as much as the front, but here it is.